Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for some special Happy Mail unboxing. This is for my hashtag I started you finish it swap challenge for 2022, and this is from my swap partner BB from BB's Closet Creations. Super excited to see what she made. What is this challenge? Basically, we start a crafty project, send it to each other, and finish it, and when we're done we send it back to each other. So last time she sent me a collage tag and I finished it recently and sent it back to her. So if you'd like to see that project, share, I'll link it at the end. And this time she has mailed me the finished project. I started this little piece that I'm going to be using to hold some of my tools, and so I'll put a picture here, or I'll link the video to BB's unboxing of our swap and so you can see what I had sent. And now let's have a look and see what she sent me. Again, BB, my apologies. I finally got time to go to my PO box and pick this up. This arrived a few days ago, and so it's finally here. Let us open it up. Super excited. Oh my gosh, I see some extra goodies in here. Let me look for the card. I think this is the card. Let's see. I'm gonna open it up. Love this textured envelope here. Oh wait, these are goodies. Here's the letter. I see it now. So let me read this off camera real quick. Super cute. Thank you for this wonderful note. Always fun swapping with you. And down here's a cute little doodle from her adorable son, Paul. So thank you for that. So these are the extra goodies. I'm guessing this is the piece that she completed, so we will look at that in just a few. So let's start off with this yellow envelope and see what is in here. I love this. I think BB made this envelope, and she has shared, oh wow, it's stuck in there. Oh my gosh. Wow, she loves butterflies, but so do I. Oh my gosh. There is tons of items in here. Oh my goodness, look at this little cluster. It's a twinchy, and I love how you stitched all these beautiful fabrics. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this will be super fun to add to some of my journals. I will make sure to do that, and I love all these pieces that you put together. That is a wonderful fabric twinchy there. She's also shared some beautiful butterfly faux stamps. We have some florals, gorgeous, and then more of these butterflies. Oh my gosh, this is perfect, BB. I'm actually going to be making a butterfly journal very soon, so I am excited. I'm going to be incorporating these in there for sure. Let us show off these gorgeous butterflies right over here. These are acetate ones. She's also included this beautiful piece. It's almost like a vintage little paper, but again is perfect for collaging. So I love these colors, and here's another beautiful butterfly. Thank you, thank you. And she has added these adorable pockets. I love it. Look at these cute doggies. I love dogs. And these look like tulips. That is so adorable. Love it. And more of the yummy tea. We have Tulsi Clare. Oh, I love it. I love this brand. And she sent me jasmine green tea. And last time I think she sent me some mango one with this brand, but I am excited to try these out, hopefully for the next Tea Tuesday. And I spy some cute, adorable stickability foxes. Love it. I love foxes. This is so sweet of you to share. Thank you very much. And oh my gosh, BB, this is so sweet. Look at that, these puffy stickers with the flowers and butterflies and that beautiful bird. I am a bird lover as well, so she knows me so well. So I'm going to put these aside, and then we are going to do a reveal of how she finished off my little fabric little piece that I had sent to her. Alright guys, super excited. She has wrapped it in this paper. Oh my gosh, I took out the plastic just to get rid of the plastic sound, but excuse the sound. Oh my gosh! Look at what she did. This is so gorgeous, BB. She's also done a beautiful collage of different items here. It says dream. We have some buttons, and I love these faux pearl dangles that she's used. That is just gorgeous. And in here, so we're gonna open it up. It looks like beautiful, BB. This is so pretty. So this is the closure that I had, and what she's done is she's added some zigzag stitching here, and I have a feeling that there's something in here that will be held by the stitches, but I just love that. Again, beautiful cover. Here is the back. And let's have a look inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. I love it, baby. So I told her that I was going to be using this little booklet to hold some of my crafty tools. And this is exactly what I need. I need pockets. So you know how you do your die cuts, and we have those picks, those tools that you use to pick your stuff. And so I thought if I was traveling and I wanted to bring some of those tools, especially also for, you know, some of the spatulas that you use for gesso, etc., I can use it for that. But look at what she added. So this is cushioned, and it's like a little pin cushion on top. I think that's what it is. Yes, it is. I love how you use this trim. There's a flower, so you see she's put some of these little stick pins, and that's where she did the zigzagging. Then this is a cute little pocket. I love it. I love the details, and look at the color that you use to matches this trim. And I love that she added this lace. But how adorable are these ribbons that are holding the spools of thread. So if I decide I want to put one of my tools, and I'll show you what that looks like. And this is how it would look with some of the tools that I would pack if I was crafting on the go. I just love BB's creativity using these beautiful bows, not only as a decorative embellishment in this holder, but also as a functional piece to keep these tools in place. So I think that is so much fun. So here's an example of some of the tools that I would pack or use that I had in mind here. So this one is for sewing, and it's like a little track that you use on your paper to create some stitching marks. And so I would occasionally like to use that, and I can interchangeably put different tools in here. I have my Fiskars cutter. This is a little die cut pick. In this other pocket that BB created, it's holding one of my loop little tools that I got from Daiso. I love using this for some of my sewing projects like drawstring bags and other pieces. And then this is just a little spatula that also comes handy for other projects. So I love it, BB. This is such an amazing completion of something I started. And again, when I first started, all I had added was this closure, this cover. That was it. And BB added this beautiful cover. I left the mixed media junk journal look to it. We are big junk journal lovers, and we are also makers of junk journals. So if you haven't checked out BB's channel, make sure you do. She makes some amazing journals and shares so many fun ideas, and I hope you can check out her channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this project reveal and unboxing of some amazing happy mail from BB. I truly love it, BB. This is so cute. And look at this. So once I have that all in there, I can just close it up. I can tie it up like so, pack it in my bag, and I'm ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this super fun Happy Mail unboxing, and what a wonderful transformation of this project that I started and BB finished. So it's hashtag I started, you finish it Challenge 2022 if you would like to join. It's an open collaboration. Feel free, pick a partner, pick a project, start it, send it to your partner, and finish it off and mail it back. The possibilities are endless. As you can see here, she has just made me this beautiful piece, and I'm so excited to use it. I hope you guys can join as well. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you next time. Again, BB, thank you so much. Thanks again for watching Cara Mia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.